you have a laptop that has an internal battery that when you press the power button isn't coming on, it's plugged in, still not coming on, you're not getting any lights, any indication, the culprit can actually be the battery itself, and the battery itself can actually be fine. A lot of newer computers have a chip in the battery that communicates to the motherboard that tells them what their charge level is at. And what can happen is the battery can forget what its charge level is at, and it can think it's either at 100% or 0. And if it thinks that it's at 100% while being completely discharged, the computer will never turn on, the battery will never charge, because the computer's telling the battery, or the battery's telling the computer, like, hey, we don't need any more power, you're good. So a simple thing you can try before going out, replacing your computer, replacing a motherboard, buying a new power cord, would be pull the laptop apart, like just take the bottom off, simply unplug the battery, and then plug your power cord in, and then give it a chance to turn on. What you'll find is a lot of like HP laptops specifically, once you do that, it'll take maybe 10-15 seconds, sometimes a little bit longer depending on the age of the laptop, but you'll get a power light on your power button, you'll get a power light where your charge is, and then you'll get a message on the screen saying, hey, the CMOS has been reset. And all you've done is unplug the battery, so the battery no longer can control the clock. If that happens, 9 times out of 10, you can just plug the battery back in and then get going. In rare situations, you have to replace the battery. But before you go out and you think, hey, I got to buy a new computer, hey, I got to get a new power cord, take a second, see if you can get it apart. Pull the battery, just literally just unplug it, try and turn the computer on. If it turns on, 99% chance you're good to go from that point forward. The computer will start booting normally and you'll be able to just go about your day. All right, I think that's it. I just want to remind everyone I stream daily, Monday through Friday, 9 to 6-ish Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you check out social media. And hey, thanks for watching. Have a good one.